Hello, this is Zoe. She is my friend, my neighbor, and my friend. And we are going to make her light bulb slime better because all around it is pink. So this is how you first start to make the slime better. You shake it. And now you can see through it. Now we are going to remodel a little bit of the slime. We are going to take the top off and pour it in. Okay, that's way too much. Can I pour some back?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Very satisfying. When you first get this, it doesn't look that much like slime. It looks like liquid, but it's not. It's very good slime.
Very sticky. Very sticky.
Okay, so we are going to add some orbeez to our little slime. So we're first starting with like 2. So we do want to add more too? 2 more? And we're just going to keep adding till it looks orby. It's like orbeez. Speed it up, okay.
I put way too much.
Okay, so I think we got enough, and we are going to show you the slime.
Orbeez.
Oh my gosh,
Why did you do that?
it's so cool.
Hey, the Orbeez.
They're falling out though.
Well,
So that's why you need very sticky slime to add orbeez to. They fall out, so oh my gosh, easily so
Gimme.
easily. Remember, work it. And with very sticky slime, you want to work it a lot.
You put water to it.
No, I
That's
didn't.
why it's so Orbeez. There's gonna be Orbeez all over my porch.
And
My
we're
back
trying to
porch.
pick up the orbeez. Let's show our face, Zoe.
Huh?
This is the worst video ever. Let's show our face. I need the slime.
Sorry guys that if we're being so quiet.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna add more orbeez. Add some in. Okay, that's good.
Some more?
No. And this is the satisfying moment we've all been waiting for. On the screen. It comes. The slime takes over the world. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.